Hi everyone, Vincenzo here. Let's learn how to play Killing Me Softly by the Fugees. This was a big hit song in the 90s and this is a song that works very well on the ukulele. This is the second part of a ukulele tutorial where you're going to work on both the chords and the melody so that you can put together your own cover of it even if you're not that big on singing. In fact, I will teach you how to play the singing part on the ukulele and you will see that the melody of this song works very well on your instrument. Once you know both parts, just put it together. Nowadays, you can simply do it from your phone or even better, play it together with another ukulele friend. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play the melody, but if you would like to learn the chords of Killing Me Softly, make sure to check out the first part of this tutorial. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my new videos. This is a very nice melody that stays pretty much in this area on the fretboard. It's easy to play, it's not fast, and it gives you room to add a lot of expressions to it. I'm gonna divide it in small chunks so that it's easier for you to learn. And by the way, if you would like the tab for this, you can find it in the description. We start on fret number 10 using the pinky. We play it 4 times, then we have 7, 7, 10, and we end on 8. Again slowly, 3, 4. For the right hand, I'm keeping it very simple. I'm using the index for the first string and the thumb for all the others. I will be doing that throughout the entire tutorial. So we carry on fret number 9, again 4 times, 10, 9, 7. Again slowly. We put these 2 phrases together and this is what we get. 3, 4. Then we have fret number 7, again 4 times, 7, 10, 9, 7. Again slowly, 3, 4. Now we need to move to the 12th fret using the pinky. So, 12 3 times, 10, 9, 10, 9, and back over here to play fret number 7. Again, let's do it slowly, 3, 4. Let's put these 2 phrases together, 3, 4. We carry on and we have 7, 7, 10, 7, 10, 7, 10, 8. Slowly, 3, 4. Then we have 8 3 times, 7, 9. Slowly. Let's put these 2 phrases together. 3, 4. Now let's work on the final part of the chorus, which is very easy. So we have 9, 9, 7, and then we repeat 2 notes, 8 and 7, and it goes like this. So let's try very slowly. 3, 4. Now let's play the entire chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the verse, we move over here. I start with my ring finger on fret number 7. And remember, this starts on the end of beat 2. That means 1 and 2, and we play. So we start on 7, 8, 5, 7, 5, 5, 5. Again slowly. Then we have 7, 5, 8, 7, 8, 7. Slowly. Let's put these two phrases together. Once we get to this next part, we have to move our hand around the fretboard a bit. Again, this starts on the end of beat 2. We start with 7, 8, 5, 7, 5, 7. Then I move with my left hand to play fret number 9 with the ring finger, then 10 with the pinky, 10, 9, 7, 10, 7. All together slowly. One suggestion that I want to give you is to practice over the original track, because this will help you memorizing the melody quicker. We carry on and we start on fret number 10. So 1 and 2, 10, 7, 8, 7, 9, 7, 8. Again slowly. Then we have 10 3 times, 11 twice, 7, 9. Slowly. Let's put the two together. 1 and 2. Now let's play the entire verse. 1 and 2. Let's go. I explained you how to play the melody in the easiest possible way, but of course you can embellish this using slides, bendings, hammer-ons, and so on and so on. For example, if you would like to see how I embellished this melody, you can check out my cover version of this piece. Now let's do a play along of the entire melody with the chords in the background. On my Patreon page you can find all the tabs and backing tracks that you need to practice this song. You will find the MP3 of me playing the melody, the MP3 of me playing the chords, and I also added a drum beat to help you stay in time. If you would like to learn the chords for Killing Me Softly, make sure to check out the first part of this ukulele tutorial. Like I said at the beginning of the video, this song works very well for a collaboration. You could even use one of my backing tracks to collaborate with me. If you like the video versions, simply get in touch. That's all for now. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments if you managed to play the song. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you soon. Ciao!